Hello, this is my bike. Check my bike is absolutely fucking so let's start off with we've got ODI bar ends. Staying with your piss off, you know. With red ODI grips, I've only got one brake on, which I've got the back wheel on the red Diamondback Skin Dog stem with red Diamondback Skin Dog bars, red Diamondback Skin Dog forks, some shitty rims with these quite decent tyres. Then I've got these pedals which were on the right side. See, would you get last one? With the red Diamondback cranks and the spotter. Then probably the worst part of the bike is the frame. So heavy, too heavy, and then got this pretty decent Alien Nation seat.
Even my back room.
Which is just like drained all the colour out. So basically my bike is turd, but I'm planning on getting a new one, so peace out.